Today I am cooking a very simple and delicious spicy stir-fry squid with pad thai. This recipe is for 4 to 5 serving. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of squid or sotong, cut and clean, 200 ml of water, 150 grams of pad thai or sting beans, 100 grams of pre-cooked sambal paste. This recipe is in the see more link. 2 red chili, 1 piece of asam kepeng or 1 tablespoon of concentrated tamarind water, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. The full list of the ingredients is in the see more link. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt on the squid. Marinate until well combined. Next, separate the pad thai into half. This is to ensure that there are no worms inside them. Cut the center line that divides the pad thai into half using a small knife, like this. Alright, these are the pad thai that have been cut. Give it a wash before cooking. Heat the pan. Add in all the sambal paste and 150 ml of water. Stir and mix until the consistency has become thinner. This is what it should look like. Add in chilies, half tablespoon of sugar, asam kepeng, and half tablespoon of fish sauce. Give it a stir. Add in all the pad thai or the sting beans. Stir for about 30 seconds or until the pad thai is coated with sambal. Add in 50 ml of water and stir. Cover the pan. Simmer for 6 minutes or until the pad thais are cooked. Stir in between to evenly cook it and to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 6 minutes, the pad thai is cooked and the sambal is getting dry. Give it a stir. Add in the squid. Stir until squid is coated with sambal. Cover the pan and simmer for 3 more minutes or until squid is cooked. Stir in between. After 3 minutes, open the lid. The squid is just perfectly cooked. Give it a taste. It lacks a little sweet and salty taste. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Give it a stir. Notice that there is a bit of gravy in the pan as the squid has released a liquid after it is cooked. This is a perfect balance of the squid, pad thai and the gravy. Now I can switch off the heat. And it is ready. Very simple, spicy stir-fry squid with pad thai. Now we can dish out and serve. Let's eat. Oh wow, it is so good. The squid is sweet and cooked just perfectly. The pad thai is creamy and fragrant. Both pad thai and squid go so well with the spicy sambal. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.